Hey everyone, this is Jatin Bhagwat from Cross Security, and as you all know, in the last session, we actually created one Python script in which we were executing some commands in background, and those commands are helping us to spoof our MAC address for our network card. But as we see in our code is a little bit like not efficient because if let's say right now I'm having this interface ETH0, but if I connected another network card, I will get some interface like WLAN 0 or WLAN 1. And if there are like multiple network cards, I will get different interface names. But over here, we actually provide the name of name of the interface ETH0. We already defined it, so the user doesn't left with the options to like the user don't have many options to do anything over here because it's just he has to go again and again in the script and he has to change the interface name over here and in all the three lines and the MAC address also. So we actually gonna create some variables for it. For that, let's say we're gonna create one variable name interface and we'll take the input from the user, let's say input, and from the user we want enter the interface. Then we're going to create another variable for our MAC address, which would be the new MAC address which user wants, and in that we want enter the new MAC address and plus interface plus ETL0 interface. Okay, so we have created two variables. Now we just need to replace these variables with the string we provided, and for doing that we're just going to enter the variable name wherever we want the command. So this interface, and for the MAC address we're going to give the variable nmac, and we're going to save this and we're going to run the command. Let's see our MAC address, which is 123.243. This is a random MAC address. Now what we're going to do is run the command with Python 3 MAC changer, and it will ask the user to enter the interface he wants to change the MAC address for. And let's say I have the interface right now ETH0. I'll enter the ETH0, and then it'll ask the user to enter the new MAC address for ETH0, and we'll provide any MAC address we want, like MAC address. Let's say go with 001122. Let's go with 3A, 4B, and 3C. Okay, and it was successfully, there were no errors, it was successfully executed, and we can see our MAC address is successfully changed for ETH0. It was successfully changed to this, which we already provided, which was 00112223A, 4B, and 3C. So we can actually add some conditional statements for our MAC address, because we know the MAC address like if we go, if we run the script again, matching.py, and let's go for ETH0, and then we give like any string, it will say invalid ether address, but we actually want to give an error for us, error from our side, so it would be the code efficient. So what we're going to do is like we're going to create some conditional statements using if and else, and if nmac is equal to 17 is the because the length of nmac is actually equal to 17, then we're gonna execute this process call. Otherwise we're going to throw an error, which would be enter a valid MAC address. That's all. Now we're going to run this command, and 3 MAC changer 0. We will insert anything in this, and we can see our error code is working. But if we enter right length, if we enter like right length for the MAC address, let's say 880, and let's go with MAC address 0011222355. So it will successfully change the MAC address. So thank you guys for watching.